Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ. We put a 3-inch zone off-road lift kit on it with some Fox shocks, some 20x9 black Rhino wheels, and some 35 1250 R20 Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires. Now this 3-inch zone lift, it is the best middle of the road lift. It's not the cheapest lift you can buy, it's not the most expensive lift you can buy. It's not complete trash, and it's not a TerraFlex lift. What I love about the zone lifts is that already in their website they allow you to upgrade to a Fox shock. From their hydro you can upgrade to a nitro, and then from the nitro you can upgrade to the Fox shocks. It's a great option. It's great that you don't have to waste a whole set of shocks. They just let you swap it out. Our tips for this Jeep, there are not very many. The first one is to disconnect the rear track bar at both locations. So the mount on the body, dislocate that one first so that your rear axle can drop down enough so that you can get your bolt out for your axle mount for your track bar. Otherwise, you're gonna run into the issue with the gas tank and not having enough room to back out that bolt. Second tip is just make sure you have a good set of drill bits, because you'll have to re-drill your front track bar hole, and you'll need to drill one new hole for your rear track bar and widen 2 other holes on your rear track bar for your new rear track bar mounting bracket. Besides that, the zone lifts, it's great. This black Rhino wheel, you can't get it anymore, so we're not going to talk about it, but these Wrangler Duratrac tires, they are somewhere between a mud and an all-terrain and a hybrid. They're a little bit more aggressive than an RT tire. However, they're not as aggressive as a mud terrain tire. They are phenomenal riding tires. Absolutely love them. Cannot say a single bad thing about them. Made in America. It's a Goodyear tire. They look great. Expensive, but they look great. A couple other things the customer has already done to the Jeep, we did not do it, is this front bumper. You've got a poison spider hood louver, you have metal cloak front fenders, you have a hijack lift mounted on the hood, and that's about it. So we've got some LED lights in the back and one of our rear bumpers with a tire carrier. We also put a third brake light inside of the wheel by Rugged Ridge. Really love it. If you have a JK, the third brake light that mounts to your spare tire carrier, it plugs right into the factory wiring harness. So absolutely love it. Besides that, that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these parts, whether it's the tires, not the wheels because you can't get them anymore, the lift, the fenders, hood louvers, whatever, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.